Hey guys, and welcome to my kitchen. Now today I want to show you how to make beet kvass, and I feel like this recipe is really important at the moment for a few reasons. Beet kvass is a lacto-fermented beverage. Now what that means is it is fermented, so you are going to have some probiotic benefits when this ferment has finished. But it also enhances the digestion and the availability of the nutrients in the fruit and vegetables that you ferment. So by fermenting beet kvass, you're fermenting beetroot, but you're drinking the liquid. So the liquid is just infused with all of the beetroot's goodness and also the probiotics as well. Now the reason I feel like having beet kvass on hand is really important at the moment is because you're still getting all the benefits of the beetroots, you're just not having them fresh. So at the moment, for me personally, I'm spending a lot of time at home during this global pandemic. So, not having fresh fruit and vegetable on hand all the time is something that, a lot of people are making sacrifices on. And having beet kvass, it is all the added benefits, as well as aiding digestion, looking after your immune system, giving you a boost of antioxidants. So it's basically supporting your health, but also giving you some probiotic benefits as well. So we need 3 ingredients. We need beetroot, salt and water, and an airtight jar. So let's get fermenting and show you how to make some beet kvass. And as always, we do have the recipe in the description box below, so you can head to the blog and check out some other things we have there. So kvass is a super simple recipe. You literally need beetroots and salt and water. So what you want to do is you want to top and tail your beetroot. You do want to wash them. You don't really need to give them a good scrub unless you think they're dirty, but the main thing with beetroot is you want to get relatively fresh ones. Now, beetroot I do find lasts a very, very long time in the fridge, so you don't want to be using old beetroot. You want to be buying them and then making this straight away. So we're just going to chop them up into little chunks. Now, I don't really know what sort of size is this, maybe about like 2 centimeters squared, something like that, into little cubes. Now, once you've chopped all of those, pop them into a jar that you can ferment in. Now, this does need to be an airtight jar, and this is about 1/3 full of beetroots. Then all you need is 1 teaspoon of salt, and then we're just going to cover that with water. And of course give it a little stir as well to just sort of start to dissolve some of that salt. Now that is literally all that you need to do. You need to make sure this is an airtight jar, and we're going to ferment this for 7 days. And what you'll find is the liquid will go a very, very, very deep beetroot colour. So here I'm using my favourite jar for fermenting, which is called WECK, W-E-C-K, because it has a really nice airtight seal. So this is a final ferment, so you can see how rich in colour that this is. And when we take the lid off, you will see some beautiful activity, which is bubbles, and it usually has a lovely, very earthy beetroot scent to it. Okay, so now what do? Well, the way you want to enjoy beet kvass is you want to strain it and then bottle it. So we're just going to strain out the beetroots, which you can most certainly use. They're fermented, they have some probiotic benefits to them as well. And because they're fermented, they will be lower in sugar. So you can always use that for a nice dip, or you can use it in a soup, or however you please. So the way we're going to store this is we're going to put it in a swing top bottle, and we're also going to leave that swing top bottle in the cupboard for a further 7 days to kind of mature the flavour a little bit. Now this step is not crucial, but it just definitely deepens the flavour. So you want to leave that bottle in the cupboard for a further 7 days before you move that to the fridge. And when you want to enjoy, you only need to have a shot glass worth, so you can enjoy a small amount every couple of days.
And if you did like this video, please give us a thumbs up. It really does help the channel. And also subscribe if you want more videos like this.